next level in our friendship with us. Kind of crazy.
Our fossils are actually really cool.
Yeah, guys, this is who I am. I need to show you guys. Guys, look at this. Hey, hi. Huh?
It's not new.
No, it's not new. I finished it. It's a game or something. It's like
You got some?
yeah. For it's a sample though. You know. I don't know what taste it is. First time this. Cheers. Hey, smell it? It smells like fruity. Yeah. It smells fruity. Whatever.
Tapi kayak asin.
Yeah. It's like.
I don't want it. I'm gonna drink my vitamin C.
Okay. Yeah, what's up here, guys? Wow. Okay, yeah.
My email is on here, so I'm not gonna do that.
Yes, email her, guys. It's yeah, it's What am I gonna do?
Okay, let's say where you got this stuff.
Yeah, okay. I thrifted this. I think I got this from like a small booth, like in a mall. I'm just selling t-shirts, and I got a white one because I need one. I also thrifted these pants, and I just bought these like last year at Converse. Yes.
I made this. Along with this, this is Luna. It's a local brand. It's actually like really cool shirt that you tie in front for the buttons. Yeah. It's for like Eve last year. But I didn't have anything else that goes with this vest today because everything is in the wash. So I was like, whatever. And then I got this similar to her t-shirt. This is just a pink tank top that I use as an inner. These pants are my mother's. I made this. And then these shoes are Kaki Kakiku, one of my favorite local brands ever. I love local shoe brands. They're the best. That's it.
So COMIFURO is done, and I guess like this part of the video, I'm just gonna be talking about my experience and my opinion, and yeah, I'm just gonna be talking, I guess. Oh my god, do I have to subtitle this? Okay, depends if the audio is good, I guess. Let's start with day one. Day one was honestly quite tough, I would say. This was our first time boothing. Yeah, this was my first time boothing. This was my first time, I think, ever selling any of my artworks and like turning my artworks into like products, you know, to sell. I've never done that before. This is the first time. And I've been to COMIFURO like twice before, but I've never been inside COMIFURO. I've never bought a ticket to go inside COMIFURO. I've always just stayed outside taking pictures with cosplayers. This was like the first time I've ever gone inside COMIFURO, and like, you know, I ended up being one of the tenants. Yeah. Since this is my first time boothing, I didn't really expect much, but I was hopeful, you know. But I tried to accept whatever the outcome is, whether or not my things sell out or sell at all. I was gonna accept it how it is. But on the first day, it was really tough. I did have pre-orders. Thank you. Shout out to my pre-order people. Thank you for pre-ordering. Very grateful for them. But on the first day, I literally did not sell anything. And like, it really did impact my self-esteem. And I got scared, you know. I was like, is this how it's gonna be in day 2 too? And then I started getting worried, and then like at the end of the day, I couldn't help but be sad about it. I was like really sad that I didn't sell anything, and I was just waiting for my pre-order people to come and pick up their stuff. And then I guess we go to day 2, and day 2 was so much better because my friends were available on Sundays only. So I had my friends come over to my booth and support me. Shout out to my friends. Thank you guys for coming to support me. I'm very grateful that you guys did that. It really did like bring up, improved, better. It made me happy. It like made my mood better, and it definitely gave me hope, you know. And on the second day, which is today it's like 30 minutes till midnight. Yeah, today I got like four like random people, right? So in total I got like 7 people who actually like ordered in place on the spot. 3 of them were my friends, and even though it was 4, like I do see 4 as a small number, but I'm grateful for those 4 because at least like these people didn't just come by our booth, touch a couple of things, call a couple of the products like cool or cute, but then like they didn't walk away, you know. They went home, they walked away with something, you know. Apparently people like stickers more than other products, or maybe it's our audience. Maybe our audience like stickers better, but yeah, people like stickers. Damn. It does. Going back to the self-esteem thing, I do have like favorite products, as everyone does. I'm pretty sure everyone has like favorite products. My favorite products, nobody touched my favorite products, and it does like hit a little, you know, it does make you sad. You're like, oh, why don't they like the product that I like the most, you know? Like, what's wrong with the product that I like the most? Like, is there something wrong about it? Is it like the fandom's not right, maybe? And like you would see a couple of like people or cosplayers who are part of the fandom that you're catering to, but they just like walk past your booth without taking a peek, and it's like, no, come back, you know. But I get it. Yeah, day 2 was definitely way better than day 1. I had fun doing this booth thing. My goodness, I've never done like a 9 to 5 job, I think. Have I? No. I mean, like, sure, internships, but I've never done a 9 to 5 before. This is like 9 to 6, but then like we wake up at 5 and then we go to ICE at like 6 something, and then we arrive and then like we set up and we went till it's 9 freaking 30. And then all the way to like 5:30, and then we pack and then we go home. Would I do it again? Yes, I would, but probably not this year because I have other things to focus on, unfortunately. I will be putting up the products online though. Probably Shopee. Yeah. Make like a post CF order. Is that what people call it? Mail order? Yeah. God, it's quite a lot of work, but okay. Not many people bought prints. Actually, there was only one person out of all 7 who bought a print from me. I gotta take note of that next time. Something about prints. Or maybe it's the artwork. I don't know. It's probably that. It was tough, honestly. But yeah, I wouldn't mind doing it again. Yeah. And yeah, although it wasn't much, I am very grateful for all the people who came by, all the people who pre-ordered. There were several people who took my name card, but I haven't had any interaction from that, like no social media interaction from people who took my name cards. I'm sure that me 3 years or 4 years ago would be proud of myself to hear that I pushed myself outside of my comfort zone to participate in a convention, to display the artworks that I'm so insecure about. Just kind of insane. Never thought that I'd do this. Did I? Did I think that I'd do this? I'm actually not sure. I've definitely dreamt of it. Like, I've definitely thought that, like, oh, it would be cool if I had if I participated in a convention, but I never really took it seriously. Until last year, my best friend was like, she was telling me about how she wanted to participate in a convention, market, something like that, and then she didn't force me into it, but I was interested. I was like, hey, I guess we can do it together, you know. Wow. Honestly, feels like we've gone like an extra step in our friendship, but like not really, you know. It's not it's not all that. I don't know. I'm just glad that I did this. I'm happy that I did this. I have no regrets. Even with the massive loss, I have no regrets. I would do this all over again. Probably will do it again in the future when I'm free. Yeah. It definitely is not easy, guys. Wow. Who knew? I mean, of course, right? But like, wow. Boothing at a convention is not easy. But for my first time ever, I'm okay with what I've achieved. Yeah. Is that all I've got to say? I feel like I repeated myself like 3 times or something. Whoops. Yeah. I guess now I'll have to set up the online shop, the post CF order stuff. Yeah, putting that on my to-do list, and I'll do that in a week maybe if I don't get lazy. We'll see. Yeah, I think that's all from me, honestly. I've got nothing else to say. So yeah, I actually don't know if I'll be uploading this as a YouTube video. Will I be brave enough to do that? A little embarrassing. But why not, you know? In case this does turn into a YouTube video, thanks for watching, I guess. Yeah. I don't have anything else to say. It was a good experience. I'm happy that I did it. Grateful for everything. And hopefully I can do it again sometime in the future. And hopefully by that time I would be more confident in my artwork.